In today's video, I am going to share why you guys are not getting sales enough. Moreover, these are the mistakes I have seen while living your shop. So watch it till the end. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been print on demand business more than a year, and I also made a lot of money from print on demand, and I am here making YouTube videos just for you guys in order to motivate you and giving you guys the right tips and tricks. So keep supporting me and hit that subscribe button, like, comment is also appreciated. Moreover, if you guys want to review your shops, drop your shop link in my Instagram that is given below in the description. So let's get started. The number one thing I have noticed is that most of the people are not using fonts that triggers the customer or the fonts that catches the eyes of the customer. Most of you guys have used slim fonts. I will highly recommend to use the bold fonts, as bold fonts is clearly visible from the website, and moreover it also catches the eyes of the customer. Don't use such fonts that are not liked by the audience or complex fonts, because these enable the customer to read the text. So guys, be careful about it. And in my upcoming videos I will also tell you guys about how to use the best fonts, the fonts which are going to make you the right sales. So keep supporting and keep with me. And also guys, don't make write text in such a form that if a customer sees your product, just like if he's watching your t-shirt and there is a font written on it or such or any type of text, he is unable to read the text. Make simple and bold fonts. These are the crust of the video. This is the main thing, and I also got a lot of sales just using simple fonts. You don't have to be artistic or use such type of lettering. Just use basic fonts and you will definitely get the sales. Number second thing is that you guys are targeting the big niches. Yes guys, the big niches, the niches which are having a lot of competition, and a very old and great artists are also onto that niche, and they are making their designs, like they are making designs on Redbubble on that niches, on such niches like 2, 3, 5 or more than that years ago. So their SEO and their shop is more ranked in Redbubble or in the Google search terms as well. So what will you guys will do? You have to use sub niches. You have to start sub niching in such a way that it will start getting attraction. What is sub niching? For example, if you see here the nurse niche, it is a very big niche on Redbubble, but you have to sub niche which are showing here. All these, yes, these are all the ones. Make designs on all these niches, then you will be able to make sales. After some time these niches will grow bigger and bigger, and your designs on it will eventually grow up. So do the same as I mentioned and watch the results after few days or weeks and or after some months. This is the pro tip guys. Never jump on big niches, always go for sub niches and make your way through sub niches to the big niches. And once your shop getting the sale, Redbubble will keep showing your designs to the customer. So this is the main pro tip for you guys. Number third thing is use titles which are rich in keywords. Titles have a lot of importance, and you can also see, and some people who have a background like computer science or something like SEO, you have to do the SEO basically here. Redbubble also have a strong search result in the Google search engines. When I search here like nurse shirts, you can see here the Redbubble website. The person with the right tags and using the title with rich keywords managed to get his space right here on the Google search term. The title you have used, also put it in the description and tags as well, as it is very good for SEO. Most of you guys haven't used the right tags and titles. Also, I don't suggest you guys to use the tag spamming, as it is illegal on Redbubble, and Redbubble may close your account as soon as possible. So be careful guys, stay away from it. Use the tags, or if you don't know how to use tags, watch my video up there and use the right tags which are showing up there when I showed you the sub niches. Basically these sub niches can be used for the tags as well. You can use them for your tags as well. So guys, target these tags, use these sub niches and make your sales. Last reason why you are not getting sales is that you guys haven't activated your all products. Yes guys, the reason to activate all of the designs is that you never know what the customer wants and how he thinks. The designs you think that is not looking good on certain product may attract the attention of the customer. This happened with me a lot of the time, like many times when I thought that this is not going to make a sale. Right after some days that design made a sale. I was astonished, like that how somebody can is going to buy from this design, like this is just a crap. But who knows, somebody is going to love it or somebody is going to buy it. I sometimes also got astonished, like why somebody is going to buy that design on that product. It is not even looking good, but that's how the Redbubble works. But still this is working for me, and I hope it will work for you guys as well. So make sure to activate each of your products whether it will look good or not. So this is it guys from my side. If you guys want me to review your shop, so hit me up with your shop, link in my description. Just hit my Instagram DM and text me like, hey, review my shop, and I will definitely going to review your shop. And some of you guys also submit their shops to review, so in upcoming days the review shop video will soon come. Thank you so much guys for supporting me and watching it. If you guys still watching it till this end, drop a comment with saying I can do it. Have a good day guys, and cheers. Make a sale, go earn your money.